Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, but it has been a while. But today we are back and we are doing a mystery unboxing from Charlotte Tilbury. I have never ordered or received one of their mystery boxes before, so I'm super excited to unbox this one for you guys. I haven't opened it or peeked inside at all. I literally just got it and it is still all packaged up and I don't know what's inside, so let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so here is everything that we got. I'm going to go ahead and show you everything and see what exactly each shade and every product is. So first off, we did get the Take It All Off from them, and I have never tried this. I do really like the Take It Off makeup mist from One Size, so I'm excited to try Charlotte Tilbury's version of it. Next up, we did get a Eyes to Memorize, and this one is in the shade Star Gold. Let's go ahead and open it up. I have never tried this product at all. So it looks like it's like a cream eyeshadow product. Never tried. Excited to try. I don't use creams all that often, but I do every once in a while. Next up, we got the Super Nudes lipstick. This one is in the shade Runway Royalty. Looks like it's probably going to be a really pretty pink. It definitely looks like a very nice pinky nude, something right up my alley, and I do not already own this lipstick shade, so super excited about that because they do have some of my favorite lipsticks. All right, next up we got the Super Nudes, and I know they already teased on Instagram that this palette would be in here, and I was super excited because I do like her eyeshadow formula, and it just looks like a good like everyday neutral palette. Yeah, this is gonna be like a really pretty. It's nothing crazy, obviously it's probably boring for most people, but it's just like a good daily palette, and it would be one I'd probably travel with, honestly, if I want something more neutral. Next up, we got a Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel, and I actually have one of these and I love it, but it is almost empty, so glad this came. I really like this one just because it has like a pretty decent size brush, as you can see right there. But yeah, really nice brow product. Two more products. Next, we got a Tinted Love Lip and Cheek Tint. This packaging is gorgeous. I think I have one of these. This one is in the shade Santa Euphoria. I know it's not that shade because I would remember that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up and see. Oh, this one looks really pretty. So it's like a pinky nude. Yeah, that's a really pretty shade. So here is what the color looks like swatched. And then last up, we did get a Legendary Lashes Volume 2 mascara. I don't think I've actually tried her mascara ever, which is kind of surprising because I do really love her products, and I'm honestly just shocked I haven't tried this out. But this one looks really nice. It definitely looks like the kind that I like. I don't like when they're too sparse and just kind of like pokey almost. So yeah, that is everything that we got in our Charlotte Tilbury mystery unboxing. I wanted to go and film this and get it up just because I've seen and watched unboxings of this box, but I think the products are a little different actually. The ones I was watching, I think they were from the UK, and I got a couple different products. So yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see, and if you did order it, let me know if you got the same products, and if you didn't, let me know what was different. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.